All right, Mr. Nagley, this video is for you. So this is your 1116. I'll be loading it onto Eli's truck here this afternoon. He'll be the one bringing it down to you. So just want to do a quick walk around on this so you have a little bit of an idea just on how to properly set things up like that log lift, and just go over a couple of quick instructions on it for you. So stay tuned. I'll get this camera flipped right around. All right, so this is what it looks like in the daylight, sir. Everything's on here as it's supposed to be. So this is the 1116 self-propelled. The little lever that you see back here, this is going to be your reversible conveyor. Oversized hydraulic tank is going to take AW32. Your front hydraulic steering, hydraulic lift cylinder. This is in the all the way down stored position. Go around the gooseneck here. Oops, I left my toolbox open. That's gonna suck. Alrighty. So, spin-on oil filter is on this one. So how this works, the left controller is your forward and reverse. The middle controller is your conveyor up and down. And the right one here, the front one, is for your front steering. I will go ahead and clip the owner's manual off. You'll need a 7/16 socket and wrench to pull this out, and that's what will allow the log lift to come down. The cylinder here is just kind of hung on the pin, so you'll rotate this 90 degrees, and then it'll push through in the all the way down and stored position. If you want to adjust the foot pedal here, if you follow this chain up, you'll see a couple extra links right here on the little cam, and you can stretch that up or down to make it comfortable for your foot. I normally leave it about how it is, just that way as you drive around it doesn't stub into anything. Up here, the lever is your log lift cylinder lever. Up is up, down is down. You do get a pressure gauge right there, just in case it's not splitting something. You can see the pressure to know that the system's at peak pressure. If you do get something that's kind of big and gnarly, the amount here about where the snow is at, like that outer 3 inches, I'll get that to come down through the nasty stuff first and kind of break it. And then you can kind of go from there once that inside tension is snapped. So the dial back here from 0 to 10 is the speed for the conveyor. I normally run that around like a 3 or a 4. There's no reason for that to be going too fast. It just makes a bunch of noise, and at a 3 or a 4 it will keep up with you. So like on all the Honda engines, you get a gas shutoff here and your choke. I always turn off the gas and run the carburetor out, just that way as they bounce down the road or for storage. That way it's a lot easier for it to start. You won't hydro lock it if it's bouncing down the road on a trailer. Your choke is here, so bring that back, bring this one forward, add a touch of throttle, and this one is electric start the way that you ordered it to. So I think that's pretty much the quick skinny on this one for you, sir. Eli will be down to you bright and early there on Wednesday morning, and he'll reach out and touch base from there. Well, Mr. Dale, I had planned, if this one came in last week, to make a trip to you on Saturday, but since it came in late, I got Eli going to bring this one down for you. Wish I was there in person to shake your hand and appreciate the business. So for everybody else, if we can earn your business with the sales quote, whether you want something like a SplitForce unit, maybe the hopper that I have left in stock here, we've got a couple Halverson units, a bunch of stuff from Timberwolf that's going to be coming in between now and the end of the year. Would love to get you a quote on that. Give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. If you want some stats and special or statistics and pricing on equipment, if I could talk, I guess I got brain freeze with the snow coming down. Check out the website, shaverequipment.com, and there's a lot of information over there as well. So Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And yes, we're still doing some pretty awesome stuff with financing. So click that link here at the end of the video. It takes you over to the application, and we'll get it going from there. But for now, I'm always working hard to be lazy. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.